I'm a professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I also hold a Canada Research Chair in Bioresource Engineering. And what that means is I work with bioresource management and environmental sustainability, which are two really important and exciting fields right now, both in Canada and globally. I think this is important to Canada in terms of bioresource management because we have such a big country, because we have so many natural resources, water, forest products, agricultural products. We have waste, and we need to be able to manage those things effectively and with environmental sustainability in mind at all times.
In doing some research, I found that there are actually only a few universities in Canada which have significant cancer programs, and Queen's University was one of them. A lot of what I do in the lab with breast cancer sort of focuses on cancer initiation. My interest is way at the beginning, so cancer initiation. What happens to a cancer cell or a normal breast epithelial cell, which makes it stop specializing and doing what it's supposed to do, which is produce milk, and pull away from that specialization and then move towards cancer. And that's what I study.
I think what the Queen's Innovation Connector is essentially a sandbox for you to be able to do whatever you'd like. And it's not too often in especially a university program that you get this kind of hands-on experience in a risk-free environment where you're getting paid to do whatever you'd like to do with a group of like-minded students who are just as motivated to succeed as you are. And the autonomy and the knowledge as well as expertise that everyone in the QIC program brings really helps you drive an idea into reality.
What inspires me to do what I do is really the opportunity to work on the periphery of our traditional science boundaries or engineering boundaries and to really push the envelope in terms of discoveries and innovative thinking.
I'm also part of the collaborative cancer program run by Queen's. And because of that, I am able to interact with people that study biochemistry and pharmacology and neurology, pathology and molecular medicine, epidemiology and community health. And all of these fields offer such a distinct and rare perspective on cancer research that it's really important that we talk to each other and that we share information. And so that is one thing that is definitely unique to Queen's that is absolutely fantastic.
What I really love about Queen's is the tight-knit communities that they build in their classroom as well as outside the classroom. Those different opinions as well as different backgrounds, mindsets, I'm able to learn from a bunch of different insights, and it really builds kind of a community atmosphere that you wouldn't find at any other school.